Hey everybody, Bubba with XS Jeeps. Today we have a brand new 2019 pumpkin orange JL Rubicon in the shop. Customers having us install an Evo Manufacturing Enforcer Pro suspension system, which is a coilover system. They'll also be getting a new to market Motobilt skid plate system, which advertises that it installs in less than an hour. So we're going to put that to the challenge to see if it works. They'll also be getting some 37-inch Nitto Ridge grapplers wrapped around some KMC Mechete beadlocks in a raw finish, and an Adams drive shaft up front. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, Bubba with XS Jeeps. We got a 2019 JL Rubicon here in the shop today, and we're going to be installing an Evo Manufacturing Pro coilover suspension system. What are the benefits and why would we be installing a coilover suspension on this guy's Jeep? Well, the customer contacted us. He wanted a great riding suspension that would handle really well off-road, great articulation. And there's nothing better than that than a coilover suspension. So naturally we went with one of our top brands, Evo Manufacturing, for this setup. It's a great bolt-on kit. Could it be done in your driveway? Sure.
Well, Jeremy's gonna snatch it with the damn Jeep and see if it'll pull that bumper out.
But as always, we always suggest that people get a professional shop like ourselves to install it. It's going to take a lot of adjusting and timing to be done correctly. We're going to give you a quick glimpse of what the tools look like necessary to install it. You'll need a basic metric standard wrenches, sockets, some pry bars for alignment, maybe some pliers, drill, impact, and a hammer, of course. If you need some help with the installation, they have their instructions online on their website in PDF format. Stay tuned and watch the rest of the build as Blake installs it. This is Blake Elkins, one of our technicians. He'll be installing the suspension system. If you have any questions, be sure to post your comments below. Now that Blake has wrapped up the install of the Evo Manufacturing coilover suspension on this JL Rubicon, Blake here is going to install the new Motobilt JL skid plate system. Now this system comes raw, so if you want to finish it, you're going to have to get it powder coated. Our customer chose flat black. It's a good color because you can touch it up easily when you scratch it up. It's going to blend well. Now, the interesting thing about the skid plate system is it covers everything from the front of the engine to the back of the gas tank. It's almost like having a full belly pan system in place, which is important. The cool thing about it is Motobilt says it'll install in an hour or less. So we're going to put Blake here to the challenge. Go Blake, do it. Hey, so Blake just finished installing the Motobilt JL skid plate system, and it took exactly 1 hour to do. And I gotta tell you, this thing is no joke. It is super good looking, looks awesome, looks stout, solid steel. I think this thing will take a real beating on the trails. Kind of wish they had one for the Gladiator already, but probably by the time you watch this video, they will. All right, Blake's just wrapping up the install, the suspension, everything else on this JL, and right now he's gonna make some adjustments to the computer for the tire size. What you think about it?
Oh, I love it. It's gorgeous. Looks great. We're not rubbing anywhere. It's close right here. Gee whiz. I love it. I love it. You've done a great job. That's why I drive 3 hours to come to you. Excess Jeep's the only way to go.
All right, so that's a wrap on this build. We installed a Evo Manufacturing bolt-on coilover system, some KMC Mechete beadlock wheels in raw finish, some 37 by 1250 Nitto ridge grapplers, and this awesome Motobilt JL skid plate system, which I gotta say I'm pretty impressed with it. Installed in an hour, only 1,200 bucks, solid steel. Again, it comes in a raw finish, so you're gonna have to get it powder coated, but it looks really awesome, really robust. It's gonna take a beating on the trail. Stay tuned.